In the world of foliage, two plants often cause confusion and concern: poison ivy and Virginia creeper.
While they may share some visual similarities, their effects on humans couldn't be more different. As an avid nature enthusiast, I've encountered numerous instances where people have mistaken one for the other, leading to unpleasant consequences. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intricate details that distinguish these two vines, empowering you to identify them accurately and make informed decisions.
Physical characteristics and identification of poison ivy. Poison ivy, scientifically known as Toxicodendron radicans, is a notorious plant that can cause severe allergic reactions in humans. Its leaves are arranged in clusters of 3, with each leaf having a distinct shape: oval, pointed, or lobed. The leaves can vary in color from glossy green to reddish hues, depending on the season. Poison ivy can grow as a vine or a shrub, often clinging to trees, fences, or other surfaces. One of the key identifying features of poison ivy is the presence of aerial roots along its stem, which resemble tiny tendrils. Additionally, the plant may produce small, whitish-green flowers and greenish-white berries. It's important to note that even the slightest contact with any part of the plant can trigger an allergic reaction in sensitive individuals. Physical characteristics and identification of Virginia creeper. Virginia creeper, scientifically known as Parthenocissus quinquifolia, is a woody vine that is often mistaken for poison ivy due to its similar leaf arrangement. However, upon closer inspection, you'll notice that Virginia creeper leaves are arranged in clusters of 5 leaflets, not 3 like poison ivy. The leaflets are oval-shaped and can range in color from deep green to vibrant shades of red, especially during the fall season. Virginia creeper vines are known for their ability to climb and cling to surfaces using small, adhesive discs along their stems. In the autumn months, the plant produces clusters of small, bluish-black berries that can be enjoyed by birds and other wildlife. Unlike poison ivy, Virginia creeper is not toxic to humans and is often cultivated for its ornamental value. Differences between poison ivy and Virginia creeper. While poison ivy and Virginia creeper may appear similar at first glance, there are several key differences that can help you distinguish between the two. Leaf arrangement. Poison ivy, leaves arranged in clusters of 3. Virginia creeper, leaves arranged in clusters of 5. Leaf shape. Poison ivy, oval, pointed, or lobed leaves. Virginia creeper, oval-shaped leaflets. Stem characteristics. Poison ivy, aerial roots along the stem. Virginia creeper, adhesive discs along the stem. Berries. Poison ivy, greenish-white berries. Virginia creeper, bluish-black berries. Toxicity. Poison ivy, highly toxic and can cause severe allergic reactions. Virginia creeper, non-toxic and safe for humans. Toxicity and allergic reactions of poison ivy. Poison ivy contains a potent oil called urushiol, which is the primary cause of the allergic reactions experienced by many people. When the plant is damaged or touched, urushiol is released and can easily transfer to the skin, clothing, or any other surface it comes into contact with. The allergic reaction, known as rheus dermatitis, can manifest in various forms, including rash or blisters, intense itching, swelling, redness, difficulty breathing in severe cases. It's crucial to note that the severity of the reaction can vary from person to person, with some individuals being more sensitive than others. Additionally, the allergic reaction can occur even if you've never had a previous encounter with poison ivy, as sensitivity can develop over time. If you suspect exposure to poison ivy, it's essential to wash the affected area thoroughly with soap and cool water as soon as possible. Seeking medical attention is recommended if the reaction is severe or if it involves the face or other sensitive areas. Benefits and medicinal uses of Virginia creeper. While poison ivy is notorious for its harmful effects, Virginia creeper offers several benefits and medicinal uses. Ornamental value. Virginia creeper is often cultivated for its attractive foliage and ability to cover walls, fences, and other structures with its vibrant colors. Herbal remedies. The plant has been traditionally used in various herbal remedies, particularly for treating conditions related to the respiratory system, such as bronchitis and asthma. Antioxidant properties.
Research has shown that Virginia creeper contains compounds with antioxidant properties, which may help protect against oxidative stress and potential health issues. Wildlife support. The berries produced by Virginia creeper serve as a food source for various bird species and other wildlife, contributing to the ecosystem's overall health. How to safely remove poison ivy from your property. If you've identified poison ivy growing on your property, it's essential to take precautions and remove it safely to avoid potential allergic reactions.
Here are some steps to follow. Protective gear.
Wear long sleeves, pants, gloves, and eye protection to minimize skin exposure.
Herbicide application.
Consider using an herbicide specifically designed for poison ivy removal, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully.
Disposal. Carefully collect and dispose of the removed plants in sealed plastic bags to prevent further spreading. Cleaning.
Thoroughly wash all clothing, tools, and any other items that may have come into contact with the plant to remove any residual urushiol. It's important to note that attempting to burn poison ivy can be hazardous, as the smoke can carry urushiol P videos and cause respiratory issues. How to cultivate and care for Virginia creeper. If you're interested in growing Virginia creeper for its ornamental value or other benefits, here are some tips for successful cultivation.
Planting. Virginia creeper can be grown from seeds or transplanted as a young plant.
It thrives in well-draining soil and prefers partial shade to full sun exposure.
Support.
Provide a trellis, fence, or wall for the vine to climb and attach itself using its adhesive discs.
Pruning. Regular pruning is recommended to control the growth and maintain the desired shape or coverage area. Watering.
Water the plant regularly, especially during the establishment phase, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot.
Fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth and foliage.
Common misconceptions and myths about poison ivy and Virginia creeper. Despite their distinct differences, several misconceptions and myths surround poison ivy and Virginia creeper.
Myth. You can only get a rash from poison ivy if you touch the leaves.
Truth. Any part of the plant, including the stems, roots, and berries, can cause an allergic reaction if urushiol is present.
Myth. Burning poison ivy is a safe way to remove it.
Truth. Burning poison ivy can release urushiol P videos into the air, potentially causing respiratory issues and spreading the allergen.
Myth.
Virginia creeper is a harmless plant and can be touched without any risk. Truth. While Virginia creeper is non-toxic, it can still cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals due to its adhesive discs or other compounds.
Myth. Poison ivy rashes are contagious and can spread from person to person.
Truth. The rash itself is not contagious. However, urushiol can transfer from contaminated surfaces or clothing, causing a reaction in others.
Conclusion. Understanding the differences and making informed decisions. In the realm of foliage, distinguishing between poison ivy and Virginia creeper is crucial for avoiding unpleasant encounters and making informed decisions about their presence on your property. By understanding the key physical characteristics, toxicity levels, and potential benefits of each plant, you can confidently identify them and take appropriate actions. Remember, poison ivy can cause severe allergic reactions and should be removed with caution, while Virginia creeper offers ornamental value and potential medicinal benefits. Dispelling common myths and misconceptions about these plants is essential for fostering a deeper appreciation and respect for the natural world around us. If you're unsure about the identification of a plant on your property or have concerns about potential exposure to poison ivy, don't hesitate to consult with a professional arborist or horticulturist. Their expertise can provide valuable guidance and ensure your safety while making informed decisions about managing these vines. Embrace the beauty of nature while prioritizing your well-being. By arming yourself with knowledge and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy the great outdoors without the fear of encountering poison ivy or mistaking it for its harmless lookalike, Virginia creeper. Embrace the wonders of nature while staying vigilant and making informed choices. Your skin will thank you.